fabulous to be partnering with North Star and M&C Asia to have the event in Macao this year. M&C Asia Connections is all about thought leadership, connections and driving innovation.
M&C Asia Connections has been really mind-blowing in many ways. The fact that you have so many different opportunities to speak to someone, but you don't feel overwhelmed. So it's been really enjoyable to be here at M&C Asia Connections.
M&C Asia Connection helps me is they help bridge the gap between the buyers and the seller. We definitely benefit by attending M&C Asia Connections year on year. So consider us on board all the time.
By the system, I could see the buyers are all very good quality, and it's good to be here to meet them. And of course, I love the team building, which is essential to establish, again, different connections.
It's fantastic. I'm able to meet up with all the suppliers I need for required and as well to interact with the buyers. Thank you.
Terima kasih M&C Asia Connection.
It is very, very good opportunity, I believe, for Macau in general, and it's thanks to M&C Asia Connections for bringing them. So we're very excited to have you here.
Absolutely see you at M&C Asia Connections next year.
I would definitely recommend M&C Asia Connections to everybody in the industry. I think it's an awesome platform, and if you have opportunity, do check out M&C Asia Connections.
M&C Asia Connection is fun, it's great, and it's with good quality.